Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Word file to PDF. Search on Google BitRecover Doc Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your docx or doc files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing docx or doc files. Select docx or doc files folder. Check the file. Click on PDF. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 5 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Converted PDF file.